Warning: the following free educational presentation is only for men who want to gain at least 10 pounds of lean muscle and get ripped quickly, safely, and naturally.
Hey, it's Kyle Leon here, and today I have somewhat of a weird tip to share with you that has literally helped hundreds of thousands of skinny, soft, and out-of-shape guys pack on ripped, shredded muscle fast while torching lower abdominal fat at the same time. Start using this tip today, and you can literally expect to pack on slabs of lean muscle and get ridiculously ripped within just a few short weeks without taking any supplements, drugs, or even spending a single extra minute in the gym. Now, I understand that may sound far-fetched to you, like it might have at first to all of the guys you'll see in this video that have used this very tip to get crazy ripped, but I promise you'll see why it's not far-fetched at all. As a matter of fact, to date, over 150,000 guys in over 176 different countries around the world have used this one unique tip you're going to see to build lean muscle and get ripped up in record time. Plus, you'll also see the 3 biggest training mistakes you must avoid if you want any chance of achieving noticeable lean muscle growth. If you're looking the same week after week without the noticeable results you desire, despite your hard work in the gym, I guarantee you're unknowingly making at least one of these 3 mistakes. Simply avoid these mistakes you're going to see, and you'll be absolutely amazed how quickly you start gaining lean muscle. Just make sure you watch this short presentation until the end now, because it will not be free or available online for long. Listen, I understand you may think you've heard or tried it all when it comes to building muscle and getting ripped, but I promise you've never seen anything like this before. So just keep watching. First, you may be wondering who the heck I am and why you should listen to me. Well, let me start out with who I wasn't just a few years ago. I definitely wasn't the creator of the #1 selling muscle building system on the planet, nor was I an international fitness author, or even a guy that could wear a tank top without being teased about his spaghetti arms for that matter. As a matter of fact, you see this skinny weakling over here? Yeah, that's who I was.